Good morning, guys. This is Rohan from Azar Pixel, guys. Today we are going to be going to Vegas for the IMEX trade show. Let's see what we can do, guys. We have one day to make it count. Let's see what we can do in IMEX. I'll see you there. Alright guys, here we have a regular sign and now we have the LED sign. Look how vibrant the visuals are compared to that regular sign. We're in IMEX 2025 and I just want to show this amazing super fine pixel pitch. See, from the naked eye it probably looks like this screen is flawless, but when you go here, look here, we got a blue line, classic IC issue. We're missing a couple pixels here. We got a missing pixel out here. Got a corner pixel out here, guys. There's clearly a huge IC problem here. If you wanted this repaired, all you would have to do, pop this module off, send it to our Azar Pixel Vegas facility. We'll have it done in 1 or 2 days and we'll take care of you.
Guys, this is a perfect example at Azar Pixel. There's no order too tall. Whether it's one module or entire LED wall, we can handle your repairs in 10 days or less.
Oh man.
Hey guys, here I have 3 tries, but Azar Pixel, we get it done the first time.